slide through and get your back broke. Funny thing is that you're going to need.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Shade tonight, and yeah, it is currently 8/11, February 21st, and there's nothing really special about today. I just have most of my classes on Wednesdays. Wednesdays just be going like, just be hitting me, be like class, calf, class, work, class. Like, so I was just like, I woke up early. I don't have my first class till 11. I woke up early with no alarm. So I was like, is this a sign for me to record this video? And if I'm really low, it's because my roommate is asleep. I'm trying not to wake her up. So I'm gonna see y'all when I start getting ready, because I don't need about these 3 hours to get ready for class. Okay, yeah, so it's 8:55 now. I literally just got up and picked out what I'm wearing. But you know how when you pick out what you're wearing and then sometimes it don't come out right? So I'm not gonna show y'all what I picked out until after I try it on and I see if it comes out right, because I don't have time to be looking dumb.
Hey, yeah. I need someone to be patient with me, someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's all rap.
And I'm about to shower. I still have 2 hours before class. Yeah.
Day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a great chick. Running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than cash today. Ooh, I just take it day by day.
Pillow talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even keep it you used to be, this shit slick the body. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick the body. I be knowing the rundown, I'm down, and so I can't speak about it. She know I'm the things, and she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I come true. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of showing I can get done. What you gon' do?
Yeah, it's 10:55. How did I wake up at 8 and still at my house at 10:55? I don't know, but this is the outfit. Shirt from Shein, I think. Jeans from H&M. Purse from Shein. Shoes, Christian Zio Trace. However you say that. Later, Bookie. Don't mind my lash. I'm gonna fix it when I sit down. But I have 11 o'clock. I have a 12 o'clock. Then after that, I go to the calf. Then I have a I'm sorry, that was so rude of my inside thoughts. But then I have a 2 o'clock. Then I have work at 3. Then it's a basketball game. It's one at 5:30, but I'm gonna be at work still. There's one at 7:30, but I'm gonna get off work till 8. So I'm gonna go at 8 or whatever. I think one of my friends is gonna go with me, or I'm gonna meet them there. This school gets on my nerves. Like, what is going on here, honey? Why do I have to walk around to get to my class? I'm gonna see y'all when I get in class, because everybody keep looking at me, and I like being looked at because it's pretty, but like, got my face. I'm in class. The professor's not here, so am I really late? No. Yo, I'm crying. He's not here, so technically I'm not late. But yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all. I'm gonna see y'all when I'm going to my next class. Oh, he's here. Okay, bye.
The opposition that really structures almost every line. What's that? Scale that you could actually study it.
Let's go. Let's say hi to my vlog. You don't have a choice. Hi.
I'm more attracted to the music.
You're so
one,
whack.
but,
You don't even deserve to be in it.
Oh, that's it now.
Chat, I came to tell y'all that Sanaya baited, and she's not coming to class today, even though she's leaving tomorrow, and so she's not gonna be in class tomorrow or Friday either. So she's just leaving me for dead. Should be crazy, man. Like, you think somebody a friend, and then they turn around and not go to class with you. And we talked about this 15 minutes ago. She said, okay, I'm gonna come. I text her, I'm like, where you at? I'm like, I know you did not go to sleep. No, text back. Yeah.
On March the 13th.
I'm in class. But I came to take false alarm. Shania is coming. I take everything I said back. Love you, Bookie. Oh, I didn't do my attendance.
You did? Good. The rest thing is not something you just put on one night, okay? And I'm going to grade it like you yourself. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. They are trying to look for a reason not to hide it. That's why they call it a screening process. Your job is not to hide it. Okay? Now,
I'm about to go to the calf. I don't know how recording in there is gonna go, because I really don't like when people stare at me. It like pisses me off. So yeah, and it's bad enough. Like, the stairs already be bad, like on campus. In that cafe, it's Wednesday, so it's fried chicken Wednesday or whatever. Everybody and their mother be in that calf. Like, I'm saying cafe, calf, in that calf. Like, what? That's mad heads, mad eyes. I don't know if I could like take that. Yeah, it's right there. Guys, I'm in the cab. It's not as crowded as I thought it was gonna be, but it'll probably get crowded in like 20 minutes. But I'll be going right there, so it don't even matter. You wanna say hi? Yeah. What's up, y'all? I heard she was stingy over there, so I'm not even gonna go over there in that line, because no me, no him. No, like a breast. That's what I meant. Yeah.
Is that good enough?
Yeah, that's fine. And yams, please.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
That's it.
It's hearts. It's hearts. Thank you. Thank you. She said, "What is that on your eyelash?"
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Can I get that? Hey, vlog!
You know what I want? They dogs order pineapples. I don't like black people, bro. I'm about to just get grapes. I'm about to get mad grapes. It was pineapple. It was strawberry. Like, bro, are y'all dead ass? Yeah. We're going to his story.
I'm going to sleep.
We're going to history. And it's all the way. Y'all can't even see it from here. That's how true it is. I can't even see it from
Walk
here.
with us as we go to class.
It's about to take forever.
Listen to the time lapse.
I got my to-go plate.
That's big bag.
Oh? Body shaming in 2024? Question mark? Hey, for girls.
How you do? You about to go to class?
Let's say hi to my vlog. Now, we've been walking for 15 minutes.
So
Yeah.
we walk from Jones.
This the Ave. This where all the hooligans be.
Right. So we walk from Jones all the way to Hunter through the Ave, and we just talk shit as we walk. This is tradition.
She took shit.
And it's the best food truck on campus.
It's alright. Hold the camera.
Alright. Yo! Wait, what you don't call it nothing?
No.
Hey, sissy babies. Okay. Shay Tanaya. Naya bays. That's cute.
Naya is everybody's name.
Alright, so look at that ugly ass, dirty ass bitch. But yeah, now we still not even at the building. We walking up to it, but welcome to HBCU life.
It's fun, y'all. Y'all should come.
Not here though, it's too overpopulated.
It is
Like,
wait a couple of years.
but yeah, now the building is right here.
Look at me being a vlogger.
Yo! But yeah, this is what Lachey's complaining about. It's nothing in her hands. She just don't know how to empty her bag out for the day.
My computer in it.
All right, y'all. We're in the building. It be kind of quiet in here, so I think we're gonna cut the camera off. We'll get back to y'all.
A step further because they will.
Why the sun beaming and it's giving summertime? Yo, class was boring. She was talking about the wars and stuff. Yeah, I'm just going to work. It's nothing to do at work. Work is boring. So, I don't think I have no homework either. So, I'm going to see y'all later. I'm going to the basketball game. Alright guys, I just got off of work. It's 8:08 right now. I'm walking to the game, even though the game started 38 minutes ago.
Hey, YouTube.
That's my sister. She's back at home. She missed me the most. I am gonna put it in it. Who are you talking to? And one. Oh.
Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you know
They're gonna make it, chat. Are they?
lips look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down.
Hey guys, it's the next day. My camera had died at the game, so I never got to finish the video, but I didn't want it to just cut off. So this is the end of my vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and the Shade Tonight out.